guys, it's Jade Mitchell here. I wanted to introduce our farm on the Mid-North Coast. I have 12 beautiful acres here. I have sheep, goats, alpacas and chickens. I live here with my husband and my daughter, and we wanted to share our beautiful place with you and introduce our animals. It's perfect for goats, which is what our passion is. So we love our goats. Here we have some of our pygmies across NDs. The black one here is Beauty, she's an Osmini. So we have Osminis, Nigerian dwarf and pygmy. We recently purchased, or they've just walked away, they think they're getting fed, Alaska and Snowdrop. They are 75% Nigerian dwarf goats. So we have really young goats at the moment, and next year we'll be looking at getting a buck and start our breeding program with Nigerian dwarfs. We already have a 50% buck, Heretic, who is down there. He is a beautiful boy. I'll show you him a little bit later. So he's 50%, but we are looking to get a high percentage buck to increase our percentage. So on the Mitchell farm we have a couple of silkies, we have mixed breeds, some Plymouths, Isa Browns, and Estelle really loves to feed the chickens of a morning, make a mess. So this here is the Silky coop. We currently only have two Silkies. We have Snowflake and Midnight. Snowflake is our rooster. We got this little cubby here from Bunnings, put it together. I put together these little roosting sections here. We made these little sand trays, so when they roost, you simply just collect the poop, scoop up the poop, and you're done for the day. It's really nice and easy. It took us a while to figure out the best way to keep the coop clean. So 2 Silkies currently live in our little Silky coop at the moment.